So this is CSS Mastery series, mastering font properties, font size and font weight. This is day 20. Hello wonderful developers, Krishna Sharma here from Kredict and welcome to day 20 of our CSS Mastery series. Today we are continuing our journey through font properties by exploring the art of controlling font size and font weight. If you are ready to refine the look and feel of your text, hit that subscribe button for more coding adventures. So first we have font size, the power of scale. So font size is very important for your CSS. Font size is more than just a number. It's a powerful tool in shaping the visual hierarchy of your content. Let's dive into how we can harness the power of scale with the font size property. So here we have HTML structure with a style tag in which we are using font size. So I will copy this and make a HTML file for you. So here I will paste that code. So here we are using the style tag. So here we have this body. We are giving this body font size 16 pixel and heading font size 2.5 em. In the previous video we have already seen properties of CSS, EM, pixel and REM. So here we have paragraph with font size 1.2 em. So body is our parent container and h1 is our child container and here paragraph is our grandchild container. You can say that body is our grandparent and heading is our parent and paragraph is our grandchild. So here we will paste our paragraph into our body. Here already pasted this. So you can see here we have heading. I will change the content of heading with heading 1 to credit. So here we have this credit. So you can see I will just go live this. So you can check out all the font properties. So here we have this heading with I think 2.5 em font size and this paragraph with 1.2 em font size. So font size is very important in your website. So here we have real world example. You have to explore this example by your own. So here we have this style tag. In the body we are using font size and here we have mid screen and min width 600 pixel. This is for your phone's screen. So in the upcoming video we will also see about responsiveness. So you have to just explore this example by your own. So next we have font weight. So bold statements. Font weight adds emphasize and style to our text, from light and subtle to bold and impactful. Let's unravel the world of font weight. Font weight is as important as font size. So here we have head impact. You can also say font weight is our impactfulness in your text. So here we have HTML structure. I just copy this HTML structure and paste in our HTML file. So you can see here we have style tag. In the style tag we are using h2 with font weight 700 and font weight 400 for paragraph. So here we have h2. I will just change the content with Kredict and here we have paragraph with different font weights. So you can just see that the font weight of Kredict is large than paragraph. I hope you are getting this. The font weight is just boldness of the text. This will use this in many areas. So next we have real world example for dynamic font weight. So you can use this example as by your own to reach some importance about font weight. Imagine a blog where the importance of content varies. Font weight can dynamically convey this importance, creating a more engaging reading experience. Here you have blog page. You have to just choose by your own this example. So if you are excited about mastering font size and font weight, hit like and share your favorite font size and weight combination in the comments. Subscribe more daily coding adventures. Tomorrow we will explore letter spacing and line height, fine tuning and our typography. for perfection. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on day 20. I am Kishore Sharma from Kredict signing off. Let's continue to shape our text and create design that truly resonate.